Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a mint onion chutney for idli and dosa at your home. So for this recipe, what you need here, I took a kadai. In this, I'm going to add some oil. So here I am added 1 teaspoon of oil. Into this, I'm going to add some urud dal, chana dal and red chilli. So the first thing I'm going to add is the urud dal. So I'm using my hand. So this will have 2 tablespoons of urud dal, little bit more, and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. So I added 2 tablespoons of urud dal and 1 tablespoon of chana dal, and we have to fry all these things together until it becomes light brown in color, and you will get nice aroma also. Till that time we have to fry these things. And in this I'm going to add some red chilies. So here I took the Kashmiri chili. It gives a nice color. So I added 5 to 6 Kashmiri chilies into this. So can you see it started becoming light brown in color, and it's time to add the onion. And we have to fry this onion until it becomes light brown. Nice aroma, guys. So after 1 minute, I'm going to add this fresh mint into this, and I'm going to fry all these things together. So we have to fry until this pudina becomes less in quantity. So can you see? So it's time to switch off the flame, and I'm going to grind this one when it becomes cool down. So for the tempering, what I'm going to do, take a same kadai, and here I'm adding some oil. In this, I'm going to add some mustard seeds, the ink powder, and some fresh curry leaves. So here I added some mustard seeds and some fresh curry leaves and some ink powder. And into this, I'm going to add the chutney paste. So I added the chutney paste into this, and I'm going to mix along with this mustard seeds, the curry leaves, everything. It gives a nice taste. So this is different chutney, guys. Usually we add the tempering, that's all. But in this we have to add this chutney into this oil. And you can keep this chutney for 1 to 2 weeks. So this is a quick video of how to make mint chutney for idli and dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. Thanks for watching. Bye, and please subscribe to my channel.